How to withdraw money from Pocket Option to Visa card. I'm going to tell you how to withdraw money from Pocket Option to your Visa card. It's easy once your account is verified. First, just log into your Pocket Option account and click on the Finance tab, then select Withdrawals. Choose Visa or MasterCard as your withdrawal method, and make sure the card you're sending it to is the same one you used for deposits. That's a rule to prevent fraud. If it's your first time withdrawing, Pocket Option may ask for identity verification, like a photo ID and proof of card ownership. Once submitted, confirm the withdrawal and wait for processing. It usually takes anywhere from few hours to 3 to 7 business days for the money to reflect, depending on your bank. Also, note that there might be a minimum withdrawal amount and occasional service fees.